Chapters in the Kashmir's freedom struggle on this day, 1947, 27th of October, when the Indian Army landed there as an occupational force. That day till now, 5th of August 2019, was the second most blackest day in our history, because on 27th of October the Indian Army came, and on 5th of August 2019 the Indian public came as public occupiers. By all legal, moral, political yardsticks, Kashmiris, 23 million Kashmiris on both sides of the LOC, demand, and they are equivalent to the right to self-determination, their struggle. They're fighting unarmed defenselessly against the highest occupation of the world, the Indian brutalities of the Indian state authorities and the Indian army. They enjoy complete immunity of draconian laws like TADA, POTA, Armed Forces Special Powers Act. And every day, the only two vegetations that grow on this bloodiest land called heaven on earth is the Indian Army boot, the Indian Army public,